Well, good Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody's having a show enough good Monday and a good start to a new week. But I'm here to tell you in East Central Mississippi, it ain't raining right now, but it's been raining for the last, 4 days. But it's nice, about 80 degrees outside. Before we get started on this video, I always like to mention that if you are new to the channel, we sure enough want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over, I thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is we did something cool in the garden. Never seen one before. I've never done one before. But yeah, give me a second and I'm finna show you. Before we get started, I'm gonna tell you, it has been raining for the last, it rained Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and today is Monday. It's cleared up just a little bit, but it still looks like it wants to rain some more. What we didn't expect was a wind storm, and we got one last night. Really wasn't expecting that, and I'm going to show you how bad the wind got over here. It threw all of the floaties in the pool, and it also lifted up one of the lounge chairs from up there on the deck and slung it in the pool. And this one didn't go in because it got hung up on a pool ladder. So it sure enough got windy over here last night. I lost one maida plant that got snapped. And as you can see, you can tell how much it rained just by looking at all of these little trenches in the soil. There's my cantaloupes. You can see where the water just ran around them. I'm gonna have to fix that. We actually did get our maida cages put on all of our plants, and I'm actually glad of that. The maida cages actually weren't affected by the wind. They stayed in the ground just like they supposed to. And here's that one maida plant that snapped. The high wind got it. I would have done something to get it staked down, but I'm just gonna prop him up right here and see if he'll still grow. Kind of hate that because this guy had some flowers on it. Looked like it was fitting to start producing. One thing that I did do is I had to make some alterations and some modifications on these cages, and all I did was I made a string trellis system for them that I normally did when I had my bed, maida bed right there. But I used some maida clips and some string just to tie off to that maida. Here's a string, and guess what? They still standing straight up. Neat little modification I made right there. It's working. But what I really want to show you is this. Booyah. That right there is a cucumber trellis. Here's one of our green dragon cucumbers that we planted in these 10-gallon grow bags. And he's growing. We have got some little bitty small cucumbers coming on right there. But a few videos back, a subscriber, Mr. Dominic Manchetti, he's got a channel. That's his channel name, Dominic Manchetti. I hope I'm saying your last name right, Mr. D. Anyways, Mr. D was like, it'd be cool if you could make a cucumber trellis using those old maida cages. Well, we're gonna try and see what happens. This guy is probably about 11 foot tall. What I did was I just took some old U-staples, little small U-staples, and stapled it down to this wood that everything's sitting on. Zip tied 2 tomato cages together, and I put a T-post behind it just for rigidity. And it looks like it's working, because with that high wind, this thing would have come down if it wasn't secured enough. So it's still standing. We got us a cucumber tower. Pretty interested to see how that works. Dan, if them dang cucumbers get up to be, 10 foot tall, how you gonna harvest them? I reckon I'm gonna use a ladder, but it's gonna be cool to see if they could actually grow that high. Look at there, showing up big old high winds, big limb come down. I'm glad. And this is a black walnut limb. I'm pretty glad this joker didn't land on top of my catchment system. It probably would have pierced the IBC. I'd have lost all that water. Pretty thankful for that. Mother Nature has been so unpredictable these last couple of months, of probably this growing season. But everything else is looking pretty good. Probably gonna get some more rain, but that's okay. I'm just tickled pink that the tomato cages and the cucumber tower did not come down. So y'all, that's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. Just a few things that we did over the weekend. Really couldn't do much of anything because of the rain. I really couldn't do any videoing because of the rain, but it is what it is. But Sunday, I think it might have been Saturday evening, Skyla and I actually made that cucumber tower just to see if it would work. And we got it braced up and sitting up nice and pretty. So it's gonna be cool to see if we can get those green dragon cucumbers to go and get up that thing and produce some cucumbers for us. Who knows, it's gonna be cool to watch. So again, I hope everybody's having a show enough good Monday, and I hope everybody's staying safe amid this crisis that we still got going on. If you like this video, go and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homely Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming, Dan reference showing enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, it's important. Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.